Comment. In Python, a comment is a piece of text within your code that the Python interpreter completely ignores. Think of it as a sticky note for humans. It's there to explain what the code is doing, why a certain decision was made, or to temporarily disable parts of the script during testing. Why use comments? Readability helps others and future you understand complex logic. Documentation explains the purpose of a function or class. Debugging allows you to comment out lines of code to see if they are causing errors without deleting them. Types of comments in Python. 1. Single-line comments. The most common way to comment is using the hash symbol. Anything following the hash on that line is ignored. Python code. This is a full-line comment. Print hello world. This is an inline comment. 2. Multi-line comments. Python doesn't have a specific syntax for multi-line comments, like /s in C++. Instead, developers usually use one of two methods. Consecutive hashes, the most Pythonic way. Python code. This is a comment that spans across multiple lines. String literals docstrings. While technically a string that isn't assigned to a variable, Python will ignore it. However, these are usually reserved for docstrings, documentation for functions and classes. Python code. This is often used for longer explanations or documentation.